Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a demo slash review on some of my products on a client. So she washed her hair using my 6-in-1 wash before she came and came with damp hair. So I just sectioned off her hair and I'm taking pieces and I'm going to be shingling with first my pineapple V.P.F all-in-one moisturizer shea butter to add moisture to her hair and to lock it in. Just showcasing that wash again for you guys. Make sure you shake thoroughly before use. Okay, the nitty gritty. So I have a spray bottle and a Denman brush, and I'm just gonna get right to it, you guys. So I saturate the hair, and then I take my curl defining detangling lock gel, and I just add a dollop. And as you can see, I shingle through her curls to define them individually. And I'm just making sure that they're perfect. I'm a perfectionist, so doing my best to make sure that you can see each curl and the definition in each one. And I'll just do that a few times, going section by section, adding shea butter first, you'll see, and then I add the gel. Again, make sure that your hair is either soaking wet or a bit damp for this. So as you can see, I go in with that water, make sure I saturate that section. Her hair did start to dry after I'd already gotten halfway through. So I just make sure that it's saturated from top to bottom. And then I detangle with my Denman brush. I add a little bit of shea butter for shine and moisture and to lock that in before I add my gel. And honestly, you guys, the shea butter defines the curls without anything, and I'm just showing you that here. The shea butter definitely leaves the curls defined and moisturized without any other product. So needless to say, when I add my curl defining, detangling, and lock gel to the hair, it's already defined. So it's just allowing me to have some length retention and to prolong the definition of the hair. Alrighty, so as you guys can see here, I'm all done with her entire